Would you rather spend more money on less quality armor for your Jeep or less money for the best armor in the industry? Hey, what's up guys? Josh from TrailBuilt. Today we're going to be installing the Icon Impact Series. That's going to be the Pro model for this 2018 JLU. We're going to be taking off this stock, wimpy looking plastic bumper and replacing it with something that's going to give you some extra protection. But not only that, you're going to have a safe place to hook up your winch lines to and your tow straps to do safe recovery. So we're going to jump right into this thing and get started and take you guys along for the ride with us. Let's go. So then removing the front bumper was pretty simple. So then next thing we had to do is take out the fog lights and the wiring harness so that we can put it in the new bumper. All right guys, let's get this box open and check out this new Icon bumper. Now the design of this bumper, it's nice and tucked in, it's narrow, so it fits in between the trails, and it's made out of a true 3/16 inch steel. So it's gonna be durable enough to hold up to just about anything you throw at it. All right, let's get this bumper back on the Jeep. Let's go check it out. The answer to that question would appear to be pretty simple to answer, wouldn't it? Well, it is. Of course, we'd rather spend less money on better stuff. Not just armor, but that goes for everything related to upgrading our off-road vehicles. And here's where I'm going with this. After hanging out with the Icon crew in Moab and learning all about their Impact Armor Series line of bumpers, turns out, well, that a lot of people that purchase the Icon Armor have already purchased a cheaper subpar quality brand and found out firsthand that it doesn't hold up out on the trail. The lesser quality and thinner metals used will bend and flex, twist, or even worse, malfunction from a hard winch pull or strap pull, causing major damage and rendering the bumper completely useless. The old adage that good things aren't cheap and cheap things aren't good rings very true when it comes to your safety and protecting your rig. The Icon bumper that you see in front of me here, this is the Pro Series front bumper. The Pro Series offers a multifaceted, high-clearance, tucked-in design that easily clears trail obstacles, plus is super simple to install, whereas their Comp Series front bumper requires the removal of the frame horns so that it does take a little bit more effort to install, but offers even more clearance and a tucked-in design over the Pro Series. So as you guys can see, the install is pretty simple. Anybody with some basic tools, a floor jack, can get this old bumper off, get the new bumper put on pretty simply. Really, there wasn't a whole lot of challenges to it. Really, some of the hardest parts were trying to get out some of the plastic clips, but really that's about it. If you do have a buddy to help you out, it does make it a little bit easier. So again, guys, if you are looking for a really solid, really durable front bumper and still isn't gonna break the bank, the Icon Impact Pro Series is a great way to go, and you can check them out right on our website. It's TrailBuiltOffroad.com. Other than that, guys, if you do have any further questions on the install, on the bumpers themselves, or any additional input, definitely make sure and let us know in the comments below. Besides that, don't forget to click on that subscribe, thumbs up to like the video, and guys, as always, we appreciate all of you for watching and all of your support. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.